Hello and welcome back to DaveTech. In today's quick tutorial, I'll show you how to check Firestick device info.
Before we continue, a quick reminder. If you're using a smart TV, Firestick, or Android TV device, I highly recommend using a VPN. A VPN helps protect your privacy, secure your connection, and keep your personal data safe while browsing or streaming. I personally recommend NordVPN. It's fast, reliable, and works smoothly with TV devices. I've put a special link in the description. If you want to check it out, do so right now. Let's get back into the video.
Let's get started. So to check the device info, you need to go to settings. So there's a gear icon to the right of the screen. That's where you're going to be navigating to. So come over to this gear icon and click on it. Now when you click on that, you're going to go down and head over to My Fire TV. Under My Fire TV, click on About, and then you have Fire TV Stick 4K. This is the entire device information laid out. So the device name is there, Dave Fire TV. You have the device type, Amazon Fire TV Stick 4K. This is the first generation. This capacity for storage is also included. It tells you that there's 5.28 gig available, and that's the total storage. But out of that storage, just 4.43 gigabytes is used. Now there's the Amazon account. You have to create the account. The software version is also on the screen. Fire TV home version, serial number, current date and time. So all of these are vital information. You also have the storage. You could click on this and either auto offload. You turn auto offload on or off. If you want more information such as the SSID number, IP address, gateway, subnet max, these are found on the network. And that's all about the video. So I've showed you all of the different device information, critical information, and general information, how you can look at it from Firestick. I hope that was useful. Like it if it was, subscribe to the video, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. I'll see you in the next video.